Ami to first come ginon madi. Mai. How are you doing? So it's lunchtime and we are going to be serving all the engineer and the constructors food. So come with me. This is our sauce. Wait. Come and see the sauce. That's the fish that we showed you. I don't think I showed you earlier. That is it. It's ready. It's because we have been giving them beans for all this long. So today we decided to get some this fish to balance the diet. I don't know if it's really balancing the diet, but yeah. Come inside. Yeah, I put the sauce. Let me put it here. Now this is our cassava flour. I mean water that we are going to use to make posho to do. So see you guys. Okay, so this is the number you can deposit on. Once you deposit, then they can proceed with your order. So guys, now we are going to start. We are 20 something people. 10, not 20, 18 people. 18, 16. 15 and 16 plus the engineer. So we are men. So no Ramonga. Ela umwidakeke kukalira sufuria. Chamana mwa umkodowedeka. Guys, this is a full-time job again, cooking for the workers. Although kwenye denako, I check. So this is what you do here. Put it like that so that it can. Yes. So that it can dry, then it will be easily removed for the next time when you want to use it again. It's called pano. It's what we use to make. Mai ketiri man no. Podi. Si, baka mede madi takecha. Ya kwa admi kanisa cha. Ngama podi no dongo. Dano mukene gine. Kwenti e kucha uchidi. Mitu beru kakaire rukwe. Makene.
Mogo sehemu ne.
Ami to first come ginon madi. Mai. Uchori nge ukong. Makene. Ngama podi no dungo. Nye mitu mukene. Dano weng dongo no. Anything. Mai. No bakute. Arina.
Wango na kunene. No. Jale enda. Dandlo. Kamera komekeche dong ye wa Raymond ye. Ale waji ni mujega lengo lo dano maduong maraj bache. Mano de donje peti. Okay ne. Ni nyako ba. Ngor ngoi mi to nyaro. Jaga kor.
Record come. 1, 2, 3, go. Ningo.